Toronto, Canada. Since 2015, an express rail link has been in operation between downtown Toronto and Pearson Airport at speeds of up to 145 kilometers an hour. Heavy traffic on the 14.5-mile double-track line causes severe wear, particularly in its curves. The solution? The VTM-compact milling machine from Vossloh.
On this 1.5-mile long stretch of double tracks, our customer is facing severe RCF and heavy corrugation. We are removing all of that and bringing the trains back up to speed.
Accurate measurements and analyses of the rail condition help determine which track sections have to be milled and to what degree. Once again, the VTM-compact proves to be a real powerhouse, removing up to 2 millimeters of steel per pass. Severe rail conditions require 2 to 3 passes. Thanks to its compact design, this self-propelled machine fits inside any loading gauge, including tight urban transit systems and tunnels. It can remove any kind of rail defect and restore the rail's proper profile, irrespective of whether it's a flange rail or a grooved rail. Changing the machine's milling wheel is a quick procedure, as is emptying the bunker of milling chips. Road rail vehicles are used to transfer the machine to and from job locations. The damage to the rails here in Toronto was removed during a series of short nighttime track possessions over a period of 24 shifts. Trains can now once again operate at full speed on the line, thereby ensuring optimal connections between downtown Toronto and the airport.